Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix delayed WhatsApp message on WhatsApp. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to send a message to someone on WhatsApp, but the message just isn't sending and the sending logo appears forever, then there is one thing that you can do to fix this problem. First of all, this kind of error appears when your Wi-Fi or data connection is not working in a stable way. So make sure that your internet is working just fine by connecting to your data or Wi-Fi network, and then see if any other application that uses the internet is working just fine or whether that is facing problems as well. If these applications are working just fine, then your internet connection is not to blame. So the next thing to check is to see whether the WhatsApp application needs an update. To check this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then search for WhatsApp. Once you tap on the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then this means that there is an update that you need to install. You can simply go ahead and tap on the update button, and that will download the latest updates for your WhatsApp application. After the update is installed, you will see the open button once again, which means that you can once again start using the WhatsApp application. Just check and see if WhatsApp is working as intended after this update. And if it still doesn't work, then one last thing that you can try is to clear your data. Just open up your phone settings and then tap on Apps. From the Apps menu, scroll down until you find WhatsApp and then tap on it. From the WhatsApp settings page, scroll down and tap on Settings, and then you have two options. First of all, tap on Clear Cache and see if it resolves the issue. If it still doesn't, then you can tap on Clear Data as well, and then tap on the Delete button to delete all of your WhatsApp data. Once you do this, you will need to log into your account once again, but then your message sending will not be delayed anymore. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix delayed WhatsApp messages on your WhatsApp application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.